Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about how to log into CISCO NetAcad account and where to find enrolled courses. And also I am going to explain how to complete the final exam to get certificate from the CISCO Networking Academy. And also I am going to explain what to do if you don't have login credentials and what details to be submitted to your instructor to get CISCO NetAcad account logins, as well as how to complete the certification and how to get the certification from the CISCO. These are the following details now we are going to understand in this video. Suppose for example, if you have already Networking Academy login credential, then what you have to do is just go to the browser and type NetAcad login, right? Once it is done, click enter. So here you will find the CISCO Networking Academy. So click on the CISCO Networking Academy. So here you will find the login page. So click on the login page. And what are the things here you need to provide is, here you need to provide your email address. Once it is done, click on the login, right? In case if you forget your password, if you have already login credential, like you have enrolled with your username, nothing but your email ID and password. In some cases you might be forgetting your password, right? In that case, click on the setup or reset password. So if you have the login credential, click on the login. Here your name will be appear, right? So at this corner your name will be appear. Just what you have to do is click on here, you will find your name. So just click on your my learning tab, right? So whatever the course which is assigned by your instructor, you will find all the list of courses here. Now what I am going to exactly explain to you is that how to read the particular course content and how to complete the final feedback and assessment exam to get the certification from the CISCO Networking Academy. So some of the courses are self-paced courses. Instructor is not required. So directly you can complete the exams and you can get the certificate, right? So for instructed LED courses, you need to complete the exam with the help of your instructor. So instructor will tick on the completed assessment so that you will get the certificate. Suppose now I am going to explain how to complete the certification exam. So suppose for example, this is my course Introduction to Modern AI. So just here we need to click on this particular course. The moment if you click on the particular course, so in my case it is logged contents, in our case it is the same, you just inform the instructor, he will activate. Now what exactly you have to do is, so here if you click on each and every module, so here you will be finding the learning material, right? So go through each and every learning material to understand the concept. Now I am exactly going to explain, so what are the things which we require to complete the certification exam. So for that what you have to do is, even though whether you completed this or not, it doesn't matter. So one thing you have to do is that, so finally Introduction to Modern AI assessment, something you are getting, right? Just click on this one, you will find the two things, right? The first things that you will see is that course assessment is there, right? Another one is the end of course survey. So after completion of the course assessment only, you will be getting the certification from the CISCO Networking Academy. But this course, when you try to click on the course assessment, so it will not be open. The reason is that first we need to give the end of course survey. After giving the end of course survey, automatically course assessment, nothing but your final exam will be activated. The moment if you completed the course assessment exam, then certificate will be automatically generated from the CISCO Networking Academy, right? Now what is the thing that we need to do is, so click on the end of the courses. Once end of the courses is completed, so here you need to fill out only the survey. This is not a kind of the exam. See which of the following description best characterize you. So you select the appropriate option based on this one. Once it is completed, the next thing you need to do is click on the course assessment. Self-paced course, you can take the n number of the attempts, right? So there is no single attempt. You can take the n number of attempts, then you can complete the course, right? Once after completion of the course, so what you can find out is, right, again go to your main tab. Here we have the CISCO Networking Academy, right? So just go to your name, then here you can find out dashboard, my learning, my classes, my content, something, right? Here at the profile you can find the badges and certificates, right? So if you see that, here you can find out what is the course that you have already completed, right? So if you have any awards from the CISCO Networking Academy, you can see these awards, right? So like this you can view, then click on download, so you can download the certifications, right? So now question is that in some cases you might not be having the Networking Academy login credential. So in this case what exactly you have to do is just contact your networking instructor in your particular university or college. So the instructor will ask you only three things. The first one is your first name is required, right? So then you need to provide the last name, nothing but your second name or whatever it may be. Then he will ask your email ID, right? So these three things are required to your instructor to activate the particular courses, right? So you need to provide the first name, last name, email ID. So based on that, he will automatically add you the particular networking academy courses. So once these things are completed, you will receive an email from the Cisco Networking Academy. Now what exactly you have to do is log in through that mail, right? So then you accept the invitation, you will be getting something, accept invitation. So click on the accept invitation and complete the following things. Now you can see your list of courses in the dashboard. So one more point you need to remember here is that, so what you have to do is you need to type the NetAcad login. So it means at the first time if you are logging here, so you might be having your only email ID, right? The moment if you click on here email ID, so then if you click on the next login, you don't know what is your password, right? So for that, what exactly you have to do is, after giving your mail ID, do one thing, click on setup or reset password, right? Once it is completed, you provide your mail ID, right? Once it is completed, click on the submit. So automatically, so to create the password, so you will be getting the email notification. So after completion of that procedure, you will be getting the email ID as well as the password. Once it is completed, now what you can do is log into the NetAcad account, then provide your email ID, then click on login. Then you might be having the password right now. Now click on the login. Just here what you have to do is click on the my learning, right? So you know I have already explained how to log into the particular course, what are the things you need to do and how to get the certificate. Thank you guys.